But you see where all of this comes full circle. This is why I say I am more than enough, because when you are more than enough, you rise above all of this stuff that's going on in life. So when people are projecting all this mess, whether it's jealousy, whether it's envy, whether it's just straight up laziness, or it's just downright hating, you rise above that, because you know what, you say, this is who I am. And if you feel this type of way because of it, again, that's a you problem. When you say that you want to give to people, you are basically telling yourself that it's not about you. And that's a beautiful attitude to have, because we have enough of the other persuasion who think that it is about them, and then you realize as you get older that yes, it's love and service first. That's what we are equipped with. Like, we don't have to learn that. We are that. You have your spiritual self, and then you have your human experience. And you know what? They clash a lot. And the reason why they clash is because your spiritual self is saying, hey, go out and be the best version of you. And then your human self, you know, we deal with life. So maybe you got a bad grade in school. Maybe your friend decides she doesn't want to be your friend anymore. Maybe you don't make the team. So then it turns into you take on the human experience and say, okay, well, maybe I'm not that. Because what did we say last time? We said we're whole and complete in what we have going on right now. But on the other side of the door is the polar opposite of our empowered selves. As we say, I can do this, doubt is on the other side of the door. When you say I can achieve this, fear is on the other side of the door. When you say I can do this, and I can be this, and I can become this, uncertainty is right there waiting on you saying, yep, I'm waiting on you. And as soon as you decide to trip and fall, I'll be right there on the floor waiting for you. Because we all know abundance is all around us. But so is poverty. So is lack. It's always right there waiting on you to be like, you know what, maybe not. Okay, here I am. So remember, the opinion you have of you is the only one that matters. You are all who matters. You become the best you, and then you give it to the world. That's what we do. The world is telling us too many times that it's wrong to be selfish in that way. And that's where I feel like the world is absolutely wrong. If you're good, let your light shine all day, every day. And if somebody feels bad about them, you know what I say to them? That's a you problem. Deal with it. Because you don't need to lessen yourself because somebody else can't play the part. You're playing the lead role. And see, now I want you to use that as a metaphor. I want you to play the lead role in your life and don't allow somebody else to project onto you what's not your own truth. So good work. Awesome, awesome. It's someone else's insecurities throwing onto you and trying to make you feel bad for something that you're good at. It's like, okay, so I'm good looking, I can land the roles, and you're mad at me? You are more than enough. And I need you to say that every morning like clockwork. And the reason why I say that is because when you know and believe in your heart you are more than enough, nobody controls you but you. You own your life. You are whole and complete just as you are. And I want everyone catching this, because this is real life happening right here in front of us. You know, you get out of the line. No, I was here. I'm staying here, no matter what. And I tell you what, you will change the dynamics of that relationship, and you will find out really quickly if that is your friend or not. Because that person, I don't know the dynamics, but what I will say is this, is you have to stand up and say, this is who I am, and I will not tolerate you to treat me in this kind of way anymore, because you are more than enough, and you don't deserve to be treated that way. But at the same time, you can no longer allow yourself to be treated that way.